Hello students, this is the next lecture of Unit 2. In the previous lecture we discussed about hardware and the software selection for implementation of MIS. In this lecture we are going to discuss about the types of computer networks like LAN, WAN and MAN. These are the three types of computer networks: LAN, MAN and WAN. So we will be starting with first local area network. LAN it stands for local area network. Now, what exactly LAN is, what is its purpose, and what are the technologies used? This we are going to study in this lecture. So LAN is a complete network that covers a small geographical area, and it is partly privately owned. So LAN means local. Local itself is depicting that it is very for short location, or means for a shorter geographical area. It could be used in small places like office, building, home, offices, education institutions, etc. LAN is easy to design and maintain as we are operating in a small geographical area. So designing and maintaining LAN is easy. And it transmits data at a very fast rate, as a number of computers that are linked to a particular LAN are limited. As क्योंकि छोटा area we are covering, that little area we are covering, so the number of computers will be less, the area will be less, so maintaining, designing, data transmission, everything will be in a efficient manner. This you can see the example of LAN. Here you see the first building 1 and building 2, and there is a bridge which is there for resource sharing. It is used in bridge, means they are connecting the two topologies or two different networks that are in two different buildings. Okay, so this is your LAN, and we need to understand what are the technologies that are used in local area network. As we already understood that the transmission is higher in case of local area network. Local area network में आपका data transmission easy होगा. Why? Easy because of the number of computers that are connected to that particular network. जितने भी computers connected हैं, that are very less in number, and it is confined to a small geographical area. So the technology that we are using is Ethernet over shielded pair cabling. Means one is Ethernet, another is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. We often heard this word, but we never knew the full form of it. So Ethernet and Wi-Fi is the example of, or you can say is the best, is a technology that is used in local area network. Now, how do we communicate in a local area network? There are 2-3 important things which help you in communicating in the local area network. That is NIC, file server, network operating. So these are the things which help in the smooth transmission of data or transmission of or sharing of resources. So to communicate over internet, each PC usually have a circuit board. एक circuit board होता है. अगर हम किसी भी if you want to communicate on overnet, हमें इंटरनेट पे कुछ भी शेयर करना है या कुछ भी डाउनलोड करना है, every PC has a circuit board. अब उस सर्किट बोर्ड को क्या बोलते हैं? सर्किट बोर्ड इज नेटवर्क इंटरफेस कार्ड, दैट इज NIC, नेटवर्क इंटरफेस कार्ड. Most LANs use a more powerful microcomputer with a large hard disk capacity, that is called file server or network server. Now when you are in a network where you have to share data a lot with different computers, so most of the LANs में क्या होता है, एक file server होता है that has a hard disk capacity. फाइल सर्वर होगा. फाइल सर्वर मींस इट इज अ बिगर, जैसे हमारे नॉर्मल सर्वर होता है इंटरनेट पे, उसी तरह का सर्वर एक लैन पे भी होता है. फाइल सर्वर और नेटवर्क सर्वर जिसकी कैपेसिटी बहुत ज्यादा होती है, जिसकी स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी बहुत ज्यादा होती है, दैट इज लार्ज हार्ड डिस्क कैपेसिटी. और एक चीज और होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड नेटवर्क ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, which controls the telecommunication between two computers that are connected through LAN and use and sharing of network resources. तो अगर हम LAN में कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं तो एक इंडिविजुअल पीसी के पास हमारा क्या होगा, नेटवर्क ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, नेटवर्क इंटरफेस कार्ड दैट इज एनआईसी, और उसी तरह का एक माइक्रो कंप्यूटर जो लैन में भी होता है, उसकी क्या होगी, कैपेसिटी लार्ज होगी, एक नेटवर्क ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होगा विच विल हेल्प इन यूज एंड शेयरिंग ऑफ network resources. Now, this is the second technical network, that is metropolitan area. It covers a larger area than LAN, but it is smaller than WAN. So LAN is local area network. हम MAN की बात करें तो वो क्या है हमारा, metropolitan area network. तो metropolitan name itself is suggesting that it is confined to a metropolitan city की बात हो रही है इसमें. Then this is in between LAN and WAN. LAN is local, WAN is wide area network. So इन दोनों के बीच का जो नेटवर्क है that is called MAN. LAN, MAN and WAN. It connects two or more computers that are apart but resides in the same or different cities. Metropolitan city you must have heard. तो हम इसमें बात कर रहे हैं एक सिटी की, ऐसा नेटवर्क जो एक पर्टिकुलर सिटी को कवर करे, that is called MAN. It covers a large geographical area and may serve an ISP. ISP is Internet Service Provider. The range could be around 50 kilometers, and the technology that we are using here is that optical fibers for telecommunication. Now you see this is the example of MAN. Here this is one city, here one is there, then it is router, then local telephone exchange, then another router, and then it is the next LAN. So it is connecting two LANs with the help of routers and a local telephone exchange. Now we move to another network, that is wide area network. Wide itself, the name is suggesting that it spans over a large geographical area. हम large geographical area की बात कर रहे हैं. Local में we talked about the individual building and offices. Metropolitan में हम city की बात करते हैं. यहाँ हम एक बहुत बड़े geographical area की बात करते हैं. Use routers, public communication links for high data transfer rates. Now यहाँ क्या यूज होता है डेटा ट्रांसफरिंग के लिए, हर नेटवर्क में अलग अलग होगा, बिकॉज क्योंकि उनकी डेटा शेयरिंग का जो लिमिट है, एरिया है, नंबर ऑफ कनेक्टेड कंप्यूटर्स है, दैट विल बी डिफरेंट इन ईच नेटवर्क्स. ओके, नाउ वी इफ वी अंडरस्टूड द बेस्ट example for wide area network is internet. It is the largest and plus very familiar one also to everyone, that everyone is using internet nowadays. That is an example of wide area network. Used to connect LANs and other networks together. In wide area network, we are connecting a number of LANs together and transmit data at a higher rate. Now, this wide area network will be built on the leased lines. But what happens? The leased line is costly. So we can switch to another one. But before, we should understand what is leased line and how it is working. Built used leased lines. At the end of the leased line, what happens? A router connects to the LAN on one side, means there will be one router with which one leased line will be connected, and hub within the WAN on the other side. एक साइड में आपका router connect होगा, एक साइड में आपका WAN connected होगी. In this way, but we generally don't prefer leased line as it is costlier. Then in the previous one, we were talking about the two LANs. Here we talked about two different cities are there, and cities and country also we are connecting. So this is the best example of internet. Now we discussed that leased line is costly and how it is connected. On one side, one router will be there, and on another side, the WAN, the hub within the WAN on the other side. एक साइड तो आपका राउटर कनेक्ट होगा, दूसरी साइड आपका हब कनेक्ट होगा. लीज लाइन कॉस्टली है, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? व्हाट आर द अदर ऑल्टरनेटिव्स? दो तरह के ऑल्टरनेटिव्स हैं हमारे पास. Either we can go for circuit switching or we can go for packet switching. Circuit switching or packet switching are the two options that are available alternative to lease lines. Now we will understand what exactly the circuit switching and packet switching means. सर्किट स्विचिंग मीन सर्किट नाम लग रहा है कि क्लियर हो रहा है कि सर्किट बन रहा है एक. सो इट अलाउ डेटा कम्युनिकेशन दैट कैन बी इनिशिएटेड व्हेन नीडेड एंड टर्मिनेटेड व्हेन कम्युनिकेशन इज कंप्लीट. मान लो कि हमें दो कंप्यूटर्स के बीच में डेटा भेजना है, ठीक है. द रूट इज फिक्स्ड. इन सर्किट स्विचिंग द रूट इज फिक्स्ड. हमें क्या करना है, डेटा भेजना है दो कंप्यूटर्स के बीच में. तो क्या होगा, कनेक्शन क्रिएट होगा दोनों के बीच में, देन डेटा विल बी ट्रांसफर्ड and then terminated when the data has been transmitted. ठीक, तो दोनों के बीच में the path is decided कि कैसे data move करेगा. तो we will create the path connection between the two computers. We will transfer the data. As soon as the data got transferred, the connection is terminated. The best example for this is ISDN, that is Integrated Service Digital Network. Now हम बात करते हैं पैकेट स्विचिंग की. This is also the again a technology of WAN. हमने बात किया कि WAN technology is built on lease lines, but as due to its high cost, we can switch towards circuit switching or packet switching. हमने बात की कि circuit switching में the path is fixed, but packet switching में क्या है, the data जो भी send होगा, there is no fixed path. data को छोटे छोटे पैकेट्स में डिवाइड किया जाता है and different routes से they will reach to the particular destination. जो भी उसको empty route मिलेगा, उस पे वो डेटा पैकेट्स के फॉर्म में मूव करेगा. मान लो A और B दो कंप्यूटर्स हैं, इसके बीच में पहुंचने के लिए 4 नेटवर्क्स हैं. 4 ways in 4 ways you can move, बट जरूरी नहीं है कि हर टाइम आपको जिस रूट को डिफाइन आपने किया है वो आपको अवेलेबल हो. इट माइट बी बिजी. तो डेटा जो होता है पैकेट्स की फॉर्म में वो डिफरेंट पाथ से मूव करता है पैकेट्स के फॉर्म में, और एट द एंड जहां डेस्टिनेशन है वहां जाके असेंबल हो जाता है और डेटा हमारा ट्रांसमिट हो जाता है. सो दीज आर द 2 ways विद विच यू कैन ट्रांसमिट डेटा इन अ WAN. ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट LAN, WAN and MAN. Now we should understand what are the key differences between LAN, MAN and WAN. LAN की बात करें तो LAN छोटा है, MAN covers relatively large, एक सिटी कवर करता है. WAN is the greatest of all. WAN क्या करता है, WAN आपका पूरा entire country और with different countries also it is connecting. तो सबसे पहला है geographical area. LAN क्या है, हमारा confined है स्कूल, हॉस्पिटल्स और बिल्डिंग्स में. मैन की बात करें तो 2 छोटे टाउन और सिटीज भी कवर होते हैं. WAN covers countries or a group of countries. Now we will see what are the devices used for transmission. LAN में हम बात करते हैं वाईफाई, ईथरनेट केबल्स. मैन में बात करें मॉडेम एंड वायरलेस केबल, वायर केबल. WAN में बात करें तो ऑप्टिक वायर्स, माइक्रोवेव्स एंड सैटेलाइट्स. These are the devices that are used for data transmission. LAN transmits data at a faster rate than MAN and WAN. Why? Because in LAN, the number of computers connected are small, are less, and it is confined to a small geographical area. Maintenance is easier in LAN. Same reason, confined to small geographical area, and number of computers connected are less. The bandwidth available for transmission is higher in LAN. Again, the same thing. Data transmission errors, noise are least in LAN, moderate in MAN and high in WAN. This is quite understood. When we are dealing with a small thing or a shorter area, we can do things more efficiently than when we are dealing with the larger area. So this is all for today's lecture. Thank you for watching.